Life's this game of inches. So is football. Because in either game, life or football, the margin for error is so small. I mean, 1/2 a step too late or too early, and you don't quite make it. 1/2 second too slow, too fast, you don't quite catch it. The inches we need are everywhere around us.
Hell yeah.
They're in every break of the game, every minute, every second. On this team, we fight for that inch. On this team, we tear ourselves and everyone else around us to pieces for that inch. We claw with our fingernails for that inch. Because we know when we add up all those inches, that's gonna make the difference between winning and losing. Between living and dying.
Ricardo report, bruh. Champions don't rebuild, they reload. The Maryland Heat, already a national powerhouse, is taking things to another level. Partnering now with the coaches of the AYF National Championship Final from the 7th Great Division. It's official, DMV versus everybody.
I like what the Maryland Heat doing to help taking our kids to the next level. I believe that it's, when the kids get to a certain age, you try to take them to the next level, and the next level with us is with the Maryland Heat, combining with back with my other good men from the Marshall Heights Bisons. We trying to put this team back together to become back the machine we once was.
We about to go against the national ranked teams in the world, and I'm excited because we working out every weekend, and we ready. We want everybody.
It's a blessing when you can have all the coaches and stuff watching you. It's a great experience to play the national teams in the nation.
It's a blessing, you know. Not everybody gets to play with this #1 team in Maryland, you know. And we gotta work with it. So we start right now.
Some of the best football in the country is played right here. Experience the power of unity and witness what we can do when we come together as one. Last year, we put the DMV on the map. Through collaboration, this year, we're taking over the globe. Heat, psyched, ready to fight. It's a movement, bruh. All are invited, only the strong are accepted. We don't worry about smoke, we are the heat.